Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to reset your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G, Redmi Note 15 Pro, Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus or any of the Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO smartphone to remove all accounts, data, multimedia files from your device and start totally fresh with it. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So performing a hard reset is a pretty common activity. Let's say you are going to sell your smartphone or you are going to give it to somebody else to use it or for repairing purpose or whatever, and you would like to remove all data from your device, every stuff for the privacy and security reason or whatever reasons you have. So to perform the hard reset on your device, all you have to do is go to the settings. After that, go to the about phone section. Then scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called factory reset. You can also just go to the search bar here, type reset, and it will directly bring you to the reset option. So it's totally up to you whether you would like to go with the search option or go to the about phone settings and then go to the factory reset option manually. So here you can see that it is showing the warning message that all of these data will be deleted from your smartphone, contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, and all other items on this device. So just tap on this erase all data option. After that, it will give you the option to either back up the data of your device or just perform the factory reset. So if you want to take the backup of your smartphone, if you haven't yet, then you can tap on the backup button, and if you're good to go, just tap on factory reset. Then once again it will show you this warning message that this activity cannot be undone and you are going to remove everything. There will be a timer for 10 seconds. Just wait. After that, tap on next button here. Once again it will show you this warning message. Once again a countdown timer will go on. Just wait until it is over and then tap on the OK button. So the factory reset process is started. Our device will reboot few times, and after that we will start totally fresh with our Redmi Note 15 5G here once the wiping of the data is completed and the device is rebooted. So you can see that the rebooting process is completed, and now we will have to go through the setup process to use our device one more time. So this is how you can perform a hard reset on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G or any of the Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO smartphone to wipe all of the data from it and start totally fresh with it. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.